Are you rolling out Workspace ONE and want to onboard your end users as soon as possible? The first step is to create a set of easy and clear instructions to get users up and running in minutes. Creating a Workspace ONE enrollment guide is easy with the Adoption Kits and Wizard tool. Let's see how. Let's navigate to techzone.omnissa.com/adoption-wizard and select Your Enrollment Guides. By clicking on this button, you can see an example enrollment guide document, which will be used as a template. Let's create our own. We'll start by choosing the device platform our users will enroll in. We'll have to create one guide for each platform used in our organization. Let's begin with the Android platform. First, we'll customize the header's design. I am picking style number 2. In step 2, we'll customize the branding. We will use the company logo and the corporate color palette to get a professional look and feel. This will probably be in your corporate brand guide. Here, we'll change to our company colors for the banner and the text. Then, we will insert our company logo. We have a color logo, so I will upload it here. Alternatively, we can insert a white logo here. We can include the Omnissa logo if we want, and we can customize the text color used in the header. Once the branding of our document is set up, let's customize the content of the guide in step 3. In this section, we can give users instructions on how to prepare for the enrollment. For example, we can ask our users to perform a backup or remove a software previously installed. We can add information in the questions section. For example, we can add our help desk contact information here. This section describes the enrollment flow step by step. It illustrates a typical enrollment process, and we can use most of the default instructions as they are. Every part of the text and the screenshots are fully customizable. In some cases, such as here in step 3 for example, we are presented with multiple enrollment options and we want to pick one that our organization has decided to implement. We will review each of the steps, making changes as we see fit. Once we are satisfied, we can add any legal verbiage if needed. It is now time to generate a preview of our guide. If we are happy with it, we can download it in a PDF format or we can go back and make further changes. I hope you enjoy using the Adoption Kits and Wizard tool. Don't forget to look at all other modules to create more assets such as an FAQ document or a banner to drive end-user adoption. If you have any comments or questions, please send them to useradoption@omnissa.com. Enhance the experience of your Workspace ONE users with the Adoption Kits and Wizard tool.